Hey y'all, got small welding jobs to do around the house or out in the shop? Got something in today that might help you out. This is the 110 volt handheld welding machine. It goes up to 250 amps. Let's get it opened up and see what we have. And by the way, the folks over at GNI sent this to me to do a little unboxing and to show you what you get and then demonstrate it. That has no persuasion on my thoughts on it, but we'll see how well it works, and then I'll share what I think about it. Here's what you get when you open the box. Comes with a little steel brush. These are good for a little bit. Something you might want to replace pretty quick with a chipping hammer and a regular steel brush. But nevertheless, they send them to you for free. Also send you some leather gloves. That's a nice thing. Not many of these little welders come with these. We have our ground cable, our ground lead, have an instruction manual, and it's, I believe it said 20-piece welding rods here. This is a J422. I'm not familiar with this rod size, but it also will burn a 7018, a 6013, a 6011, and a 308. I'm familiar with the 7018 and the 6011s, and I've done a few of these welding machines, and they come with 6013 rods. Basically about a 6011. Anyway, we have our handheld welding machine right here. That's the LED screen here on the side. Okay, our rod holder here goes from a 1/16 to a 1/8 inch diameter rod. All you're going to want to do is take this, place it in the hole right in the front there, put it in there, and turn it to lock it down. Just like that. And you'll just take your rod, unscrew this a little bit, slide it in the hole there, and then tighten your clamp down. And there you be. You're ready to go. Plug this thing in and look at the little screen right there, and then we're going to take it out back and try it out. Curious about a couple of things here before we get too far into this. Right there. About 66 inches long right here. And our ground lead is about 45 inches long to the beginning of the clamp right here. Add an extra 6 inches onto that for the clamp itself. Now your ground, you're going to want to just take it and put it in right here, turn it, lock it in. There you go. Clamp that on your steel and you're ready to go. But like I said, I want to check out the LED screen while we're inside and can see that good. We'll check it out outside and see how bright it is, but right now we're going to just look at it right here. By the way, this is your on and off button right here, and this is what you will adjust your temperature with, or your amperage rather. Okay, let's turn it on and see what we have here. Hear the fan kick in. Up to 250 amps. Most applications you're going to run around 90, 85. Should be good right there. Let's go try it out and see how well it welds. Okay, we'll hook up our ground lead. Put it right there. You'll notice I got a couple of beads right here from a previous welding. So we're going to go right in here. Turn it on. Let's sit on about 91. We'll go from here and see what happens. All right, there we go. See what that last bead looked a lot better, in my opinion. Pretty nice little welder. I like that. The only issue I have at all is the knob right here. If you have your hand too far up, you will hit that dial if you're not careful. So as long as you hold it down here, you'll be in fine shape. Does a great job. I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.